Welcome back. For this video, I'll be showing you how to remove the email from a contact on Google. So start by opening Chrome, and then from here, you want to click on the app's icon and select the option labeled Contacts. You'll be brought to the Contacts app, and you should see all the contacts that you currently have added onto your account. To remove the email, it's fairly simple. Start by selecting a contact. Then from here, you'll see under contact details the current email address that contact has attached to them. So to remove it, you want to click on edit, and then you'll notice when you hover over the email, you have this X icon. So click on that X icon to remove that information, and then click on save to apply the changes. Once the changes have been applied, you'll notice that you no longer see an email in the contact details. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.